Hey bosses, it's Nina. So on Pinterest, there are a lot of boards that you can create and pins. And if you're anything like me, I actually have, let's see how many I have. I think I have 299 boards. And so it was getting out of control. Now that Pinterest has added a feature where you can add sections to your boards, I wanted to show you how to really organize your Pinterest in a way where you can find things. My pinning has been out of control, and I really just want to organize my Pinterest, and I have found that this is the easiest way to do it. So, first of all, let me go ahead and jump in and show you how to create a new section. So, if you have something like here, it says Pinterest, I can go into one of my boards, and I'm simply going to the top. I click on plus, and then I click on add section. Now, add section, it can be, so this is Pinterest. I can say Pinterest for business, right? And I can create a couple of additional sections. Once I create my sections, the only thing I need to do is click on organize, and then I can select multiple boards that need to go into that section. Now, you can drag and drop. For some reason, it works for me sometimes and others it doesn't. So it's easier for me to just click on move, and then I'll click on the section, and that's basically it. So you go through and create your boards, you click on organize, and then you organize them in this section. So that's if you're starting from scratch and you just want to create new sections within your Pinterest boards. Okay, this one has 223 followers, so I'm probably going to keep this board. I'll probably go through and look for some of my boards that don't have a lot of followers and get rid of those. But what you can see here is that I have a social media tips business masterminds, right? Which is going to change. I have a group of people in here that are contributing to this, but we're going to actually kind of pump up the volume on this. So 80s. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and move some of my other boards into this board as sections. So these are different sections that I created. I'm actually going to delete these. Okay, so you can delete your sections or merge, see, your sections. I'm just kind of organizing them, but let me show you how to take an existing board and just merge it into here quickly. And so here I have, let's see, which one do I have? Periscope app, that's fine. I'll take that, and I just clicked on edit. I'm gonna go down to the bottom, click on merge, and I'm gonna merge this into the social media tips. But what it's going to do is create its own section, so I don't have to start from scratch. So if I look, I'll now see Periscope app in here. Bam. Isn't that super duper easy? So first of all, follow me on Periscope. Pinterest. Pinterest.com/sociallynina. My link is below. Also, I'll be checking out Tailwinds a lot more and using Pinterest, but you'll see that I'm going to organize this a lot better. I have a lot of pink stuff, a lot of personal stuff that I want to remove. But I'm going to go through some different Pinterest tips and tricks. Like I used to have board covers for each of my boards, and I think I'm going to get back to that. There's a way you can kind of upload your own boards and kind of really brand your Pinterest. Mine is looking a little shabby, but I need to go ahead and crank it up a bit. So if you have any questions about Pinterest, how it works, how to use it for marketing, how to create sections and boards and what it is and why you need it for your business, leave me all of those questions below. I will be focusing on a few more Pinterest tutorials over the next couple of weeks. And you'll see coming into 2019 that I'll be doing a lot more software reviews. So I'll bring out some different apps that will help you with your Pinterest growth. All right, leave me a question below or watch any of these other videos I have on the screen. Ciao.